Hi, this is Tony from digitalradiomarketing.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about a couple backlink building strategies that I'm testing out. So if you have been following digitalradiomarketing.com blog, you probably noticed that right now I'm really focusing on backlink buildings. So I've done some research, I've read around on the web, other people's blogs, and a lot of them really just talk about high level ideas, how you can, what different types of outreach, different types of link building ideas, but they don't really talk about a specific actionable items. So what I want to do here is to show you a couple of actionable things that I came up with, and hopefully that's gonna help you with your backlink building activity. So the first thing is to use a directory. So the idea here is that we can find blog directories that are relevant to the niche, the niche that you're working on. So in this case, the example I'm using here is food blog directory. So as you can see, if we go to one of them, here is a list of food blogs that are listed in this directory. And what we can do is to use a crawler such as Screaming Frog. This is one of the my favorite tools. So you can use it for this kind of purpose. You can also use it to test various SEO problems on your website, and there are so many ways to use it. There's a free version. This is the paid version, and the free version you can also only crawl up 500 URLs. So for this purpose, you might want to actually opt in to get the paid version. And what you can do is you can basically set the spider to check the external links, link outside filter, link outside folder, follow internal non-follow, and then ignore robots.txt to really go through the entire site. You might want to test it out different configurations, but this is what I normally do, and then just copy and paste the URL and click on start. So the crawler will basically just go through the website, and as you can see here, these are internal links, and then here's the external links. And what we are looking for really are websites that link out from the blog directory, obviously. And right away I can see there are some blog posts here, blogs here that seems to be linking out. So these are the target that we're looking for. So you can export this and just collect those URLs and basically send emails to those URLs, to those blogs that you want to target. And the idea here really is to sort of, say, hey, I noticed that your blog talks about this topic. I have a website, I have this kind of resource on my website, and I do see that your website also have those kind of resources. Would you be interested in sort of, link back, or interested in listing my resource on your site, or add my resource to your list of resources? So there's nothing tricky there. This is really the lazy way, so to speak, to build backlinks, because I don't need to build a new post. I don't need to create new articles on my site. I already have those posts, and what I really do is just ask the other party to link back. Okay, so that's the first idea. Now the second idea is to use broken link building technique. So Rank Excel, this is one of the blogs that I came across. It talks about broken link building, and what I really like about this post is that it lists a lot of search parameters that you can use. And as you can see, it also use a search operator within this search parameter. So for example, when I type in healthy eating in title links, it gives me a list of results that potentially has healthy eating links. And another point that this blog post mentioned is to use a plugin, and it's a Chrome plugin called Check My Links. And what it does is basically check on the broken links on the site And this is exactly what I did here. I click on this button right here, and then you would tell me valid links 79, invalid links 14. So basically, these are broken links here. And what you want to do is you sort of want to tell this site owner, hey, I noticed that you have a link out to nutrition analysis tool. Guess what? I have a nutrition analysis tool on my site as well. So why don't you swap this out and use mine instead? I mean, list mine instead of you link to something that is that doesn't exist anymore because it's showing 404. So that's the idea with the broken link building. But we can also not do that, but just send out an email, say, hey, I noticed you have these healthy eating links on your site. Would you like to add mine? Because it is relevant to my niche, and I do see you do link to variable resource, and I think mine is valuable. Check it out, that kind of thing. So again, it's the same kind of tactic that I would try to do here, but from kind of different angle. And right away I can think of using Scrapebox to scale this, because you can imagine doing this one by one using hand and actually check it through. It kind of takes time. So if you want to scale it up, you can use software. If not, you can do it by like this, using this check my link plugin really. So those are the two ideas that sort of I'm working on, I'm trying out right now. So far I've got a few links by just doing this, finding blog directories and send out an email. And there are email software that I've tried it out, so I'll talk about that in a separate video. But really, it's really coming up with a system that's scalable, so that you can send out a lot of emails and to the relevant sites and get the backlink. So hopefully this video helped you a little bit. If you are interested in more resources like this, please visit digitalreadymarketing.com. And if you have any comments, please leave a comment on this blog post where the video is hosted. I might also put this video on YouTube, so this is what I'm mentioning. Check out the blog, and so you can leave a message there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.